Below St. Mark's you have a golden lion with wings. And that is the symbol of Venice, the lion with wings. Okay, St. Mark's is buried also inside this church now. And his body was brought from Alexandria. By the side of that we saw the Doge's Palace. I showed you from the boat.
Yes.
On the right side of the church is the Doge's Palace. There the Doges lived inside. They had their court, they had the palace, everything in over there. So look here, we have a bell tower high on top, dating back from the 9th century. But in 1902, the whole tower completely collapsed. And after that, you have a new tower which was made identical to the old one with an elevator inside. Right across here, you see the old clock. Which is showing you the time now is 4:35. And on top there is a bell, and every hour the bells chime. You can hear the soldiers chiming the bell every hour. So at 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock, you will see them chiming. Okay, now after this, what we are going to do from here? We are going to visit Murano Glass.